How to recover my Roblox account without an email or phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover my Roblox account without an email or phone number. First, launch the Roblox app on your mobile device. Next, tap the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Logout. When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap Logout again to proceed. You will now be redirected to the login screen. Now tap Sign In, then choose Forgot Password or Username beneath the login boxes. You'll be prompted to enter recovery information. Then type in the email address associated with your Roblox account and press Submit. Roblox will send a password reset link to your email inbox. Alternatively, if you've linked a phone number to your account, you can use that instead. If you're not sure what your saved password is, use Face ID or Touch ID to access your phone's saved passwords. Look for Roblox in the list and tap it to view your stored login details. Return to the Roblox app and sign in using your updated password. Once you're back in, tap More again from the bottom right. Next, go to Settings, then choose Account Info. Here, make sure your email and phone number are up to date so you can recover your account more easily in the future. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.